Hello, everyone. This is Lolly, and we are ready for part 6. Oh my goodness, of the December Daily Pocket Journal. If you are not familiar with this project, make sure you look down below to the link I'm giving you to the playlist, and you'll be able to see the entire thing so far. We ended with this page, which was page 9. We're ready for 10 and 11. So I got them out, and I was super thrilled to see that page number 10 goes along with this. This just really tickled my heart. So what I decided to do, since we're already almost halfway through all of the days, I pulled out all of these and matched them up with an appropriate tile or page, so that I wouldn't get to the very end and realize that I didn't like the paper that was going with that day. So for day 10, this is what it's going to look like, and I decided to use a white to kind of complement the white of my little bear here. And that's my pocket. So let's get this punched. There's the back there. Let's get this punched. Okay, off to the side and move this over just a little bit. I still want to refer to it because I think I'm going to like the layout between these two together. I have this guy and I have this. Now, there is also in these 6x6 papers, there was this page of kind of borders here, and one of the things that I had cut out earlier but didn't use, and it's this one right here that says special delivery from the North Pole. I love it because it's the red, white, and the brown, so I thought that would be a good pocket tupper. And then I can still do something to edge the top, or I could even put this in the bottom and do something along the edge. I don't know yet, so let's put that here. I'm thinking he's going to go up there because I really want to decorate this pocket. And I'm thinking, since it says special delivery, I want to do something with Christmas presents. And I have been itching to use the little Christmas tree that I decorated, that I created the image for. And let's see, I'm wondering about, I don't know if there's any room for this anywhere, but I love the that it goes with the craft here. So I'm just going to put that there, hoping I can use that somewhere. So I want to look in all of these and see what I have that would look like presents. There are a whole lot of them that I see here. I see right now this one's got the brown or the craft in it, and this has got craft, this has got craft. Oh, there's my other Christmas tree. I have it right here. There's a green heart. Oh, and here's a child with a Christmas present. I don't know if I want to introduce too many characters in here, and he makes the tree look awfully small. So, really like the presents, and I'm thinking, of course, anything is not going to be in proportion because my tree is pretty small. So we could use that, and even another one here. I don't like, it's too short next to that one. I think this one here makes me happier. So let's put those presents in there. There's an itty bitty present here that I might use as well. It's red. I kind of like that. Okay, so I guess the question is, am I going to do anything across the top here? Is this going to be up there? And these will be at the very bottom. I like it both ways, but I think I like it really offsetting that pocket more than I like it down at the bottom. So let's do that. There you go. And remember, if you are following along, you are more than welcome, please, to choose your own papers, your own colors, and where you are putting everything. So if you want that strip on the bottom, put it on the bottom. Okay, so, all right, so presents. I'm thinking about doing it this way because when I pop things up, when I use pop dots, I kind of like to get them farther away from the ring so it's not so bulky right here and have a difficult time turning. So that's what I'm thinking. And I wonder if I need a tiny little strip of something. And I want this just purely decorative, not to look like grass or anything, but this could go here to add some more interest. Or it could go along the bottom. Like I said, I don't want it looking like grass, but it still might help, you know, just to add. I think I like something along the bottom, so I think I'm going to do that. Alrighty, so I was saying I would kind of like to have the tree, this over here, and then some presents. I know they're not they're not sized accordingly. So let's do this. I'm lifting these up just a teeny bit so the green is showing right under there. Now, I think I am going to use some foam tape for the other ones here. Overlapping that slightly and making it kind of a little bit farther up on the... And then I want to put this on foam tape as well, or stick it down. I might just glue it down underneath there. I don't have to have everything popped up. And I'm thinking this just needs a little something right there. Now the star was a hole punch that I had, that I punched out some holes in, punched out some craft paper to include in the kit that I sold. And these little hearts came in the Doodlebug collection. He definitely needs to be either a tuck spot or a pocket. Okay, so obviously we have that pocket there. I really like this, and I'm thinking I need something along the lines of this to accentuate. I like the big ones for this bow, this little poofy bow on top of that package. I think it's cute. And a medium one, medium blue for this blue top of that package. There we go. Very cute. I just love their enamel dots. Okay, it adds so much to it, dimension. Okay, and the other thought I had, oops, let me get this guy back out of here. I'm wondering if he needs something on his, I feel like he's saying hello to these guys over here, and so maybe he needs something. No, I don't need that. I keep coming up to that one little heart there. He might be blowing hearts toward his friends next door. Oh, here we go. One red heart. I think I want him to blow the red heart there. No, it's pink. It's just a bright pink. Okay, we'll go with that. And the question was tuck spot, I think. Alrighty, and on that heart right here, I think I want to pop that up as soon as I find my lid. Perfect. I feel like he's blowing kisses to his friends right over here. Very cute. Now this one added more color than this, but I still have a lot of the greens that are over here. So that is really cute. And I had this paper clip on this pocket before, but I like the way it's showing from the top of the book. we need to flip this over and look at this side. This is number 11. He's got a red hat and green scarf, so I kind of like this. And I had chosen this as my pocket. Now this side has stripes, and I think it's too much and they're all going the same direction. If it had been this way, I still could do it this way and add interest. Or I could go with this, which is the dots. Or I could do it this way and fold the dots over to break up the stripes. That would be worthwhile as well. Or I also have this ribbon here, which I like because it will break up the stripes. I can keep the stripes, but I can break it up with this right across that. Okay, so let's get out. Well, first of all, let's put this on. Now it is a little more difficult to decorate this side because I have those enamel dots on the other side, but you know, I keep getting glue in my work. I'm just going to go with it. And get this on there. I'm just using this to measure how wide of a strip I need to go. When you're using fabric tack to glue ribbon on there, don't put it really thick, or you will see it just won't give you an even texture through the ribbon. So what I like to do is I'm actually pushing down on the paper so that what I'm getting is more of a thin coat there. So on all the ribbons that I gave you, I made them long enough so that you could have a nice smooth end and cut off the extras. So this is our snowman. He could go there or here, either way. But what else do we need? See, I have a nice bright color here, which would be perfect for using some of the white images here. So I've noticed there are several white ones. And like this snowman here. Oh, I think that guy needs to be in there. First, let me punch my hole out so that I know how much room I have to play. Okay, let me turn that over. I might need to do this snowman here. Either way, or they both could be on the same side. I like him. Okay, is there anything else that I want to use? We got a polar bear. He's pretty adorable. I like a present, but I don't like the red and white one, I don't think. And there's this snowman, too. Oh, the fox, pretty cute. So many cute items here. I'll see, I think I'm trying to find a present that's not red. I think that one is more proportionate to that snowman there. All right, the other thing I think I'm looking for would be maybe some words on this one. Okay. Still thinking here. I'm wondering about making this cute guy a tuck spot. Maybe glue in most of his bottom and just leave him open at the top. And glue this one all the way down this time. Don't always, but got a little red snowflake I like. Let me glue his bottom down and make him a tuck spot. How about snow much fun? Obviously, that would be a good one for this. present might get put over here. I don't know. I'm kind of not liking the idea of a present after all. Although there is a blue one. It doesn't seem to go with the snow theme. Pink snowflake. I think I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to pop up the words. Like that, right there. I love his little carrot nose, his little black eyes. You know, if you have any Nouveau drops, you know, you could accentuate his black eyes and his buttons, which I do. So I just got mine out. This one is, what's the color? Ebony black. I'm just going to kind of bring out his eyes here. And his buttons. It really brings him to life. I know you can't tell on camera, but it really helps. And I'm going to have to let that dry before I get carried away. I have this, which was a Christmas tag that I got from, if you go to the craft stores right now, they have their Christmas wrapping papers and Christmas tags. And I'm wondering if I could take this off and make a little bow for his hat. He's got a red and white striped band across his hat, and I'm wondering if I can't make a little bow here. I'm trying to stretch this out without having to iron it. I think it's too short. It's too short for me to make a bow. So I'll show you on this one. This is a scrap I have of some fine red or some narrow red ribbon. I make 2 loops like this, and then I just tie them around each other, wrap around and go through the hole. And so that gives you that. So that could be a little bow on his hat, but I think I need to, I'm looking at the size and I'm going to have to make that smaller. You did get some ribbon in your kit that you can do this with if you got the kit. Oh, I think that really helps to perk him up a little bit. We need a little bit. I'm trying not to get my Nouveau crystal drops smeared. Need a little bit of the, there we go, of the Fabri-Tac to glue that down. He just needed that. It makes him look really smart. And his top hat. Okay. There we go. If you have some snowflake stickers, they would be really cute around here. We do have a couple left in the kit. And I'm thinking a small one, maybe like this one here. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, that is going to dry, and then it will get put in the in my journal here. That's what it looks like together there. And turn it over, and that is this side. So thank you for watching and for keeping up with me. I know we're going kind of fast. We have other projects to tackle, so I'm trying to get through this in a reasonable amount of time. You can see here, you've got a tuck spot here, and you've got a pocket there. Very, very fun. And in each of our kits, they're all different, but there's one of these which could go in any pocket. So you want that in there, it looks just fine. Thank you for watching.